Hey everybody, it's Danielle Damianov, and I am so excited for you to be here so we can go over the Relo program today, where I will explain to you all about what the Relo program is. So before we get started, my name is Danielle Damianov. I am with Nexa Mortgage, also Axon Mortgage, which is the correspondent side to our company, and Grow Funding Group. So my group is Grow Funding Group, powered by Nexa and Axon Mortgage. And we offer a Relo program for real estate agents. So I'm so excited to share with you what this Relo program is all about. So what is the ultimate goal with the Relo program? Number one is to really empower real estate agents to grow and scale their business with multiple streams of income. We've all heard that expression, you don't want to put all of your eggs in one basket. So it's really important to have different streams of income, especially when you are on straight commission and you're working in the real estate industry where your income can be sporadic or up and down depending on the market conditions. The second is to have options and have the option to take advantage of both the real estate market when it's hot and the mortgage market when it's hot. The third is the ability to create a downline of passive income. So that is another way or another stream of income that you can have when you partner with us. And then obviously you're going to be able to help a lot more clients save more money while putting more money in your pocket at the end of the day, which is always nice. So, what are the biggest challenges for real estate agents? The first is that the income can be up and down, right? If the market is super slow, like it is right now, it could be like crickets and you really, are not having the sales that you were used to having. So when you have the up and down markets, it's hard. A lot of people end up getting out of the business and going and doing something else or something on the side just to make ends meet. You don't want to put all of your eggs in one basket. When you're a real estate agent and you're only relying on real estate income and the market is, really slow and it's taking on average, 10 months to sell a home, which I've been in that market before, it can be very, very difficult and also very stressful. It's very hard to have retirement income sometimes when you're a real estate agent. It's not like you're working for a company and you're putting money away every single paycheck into your 401k. So unless you set that up on your own as a real estate agent, you're probably not saving for retirement. When the laws change, like we just saw with the NAR settlement, right? That can make it more difficult to sell homes or more of a difficult market. And then sporadic and unpredictable income. So these are all the biggest challenges that a lot of real estate agents see. So how can you, as a real estate agent, make more money? Well, with our Relo program, we allow you, once you get licensed, and I'll explain that in a minute, to earn a referral or commission on mortgage referrals, mortgage loans that you refer to us. So why Nexa? Why our Relo program? Number one is that we have over 250 lenders. We have basically any loan program you can even think of or your clients need. So whether it's residential loans, commercial loans, business loans, they need an SBA loan, they need, to close in an LLC, they're buying a hotel, they're buying storage units. You work with investors, you work with foreign nationals and they're coming from Canada or Spain or South America and they want to buy a home here. We have over 250 lenders in every single product out there. The second is that we have the best rates and the best commission splits. So that gives us a lot more flexibility when we're working with a client if we have to lower our commission a little bit to win a deal. We don't have to go to upper management and ask for somebody to allow us to lower our commission. We can just do it because we have full autonomy on our loans. Number three is training. We have so many trainings. So you might be thinking to yourself, well, I'm a real estate agent, I really don't want to learn all there is to know about mortgages. You don't have to, but what's cool is to learn about certain loan programs that we have, like the fix and flip loan. So that can help you get more clients. And it can also help, your clients with their real estate investing, for example. So we have a ton of training on different loan products, so you know what's out there and you know what, you're able to bring to the table to your clients. Number 4 is support. So we're a virtual company, right? We have real-time support. Our headquarters is based out of Arizona. So if you're on the East Coast, that makes it nice because we have access to them until about 9 o'clock our time. And they work based off of the Arizona time zone, but they're also up early for Eastern time zone. And all you have to do is go on Zoom and Zoom in with anyone from the company. So whether you're looking to, learn more about loan products, you want to take a training, you need to meet with HR, or, maybe you want to ask another loan officer a question on a deal that you're trying to bring to the table to see if it's a viable deal. We have tons of support and it's all virtual. So you can literally work from anywhere in the world, which is what I love. And then number 5, we really have a lot of these out of the box programs to help you grow your business that you would not get with another lender. So we have a lot of different loan programs that no other lender has or has available to them. So here's the other thing to think about. We have a refi boom coming up because interest rates are dropping. They've been at an all-time high for a couple of years. We all know that. And we have an upcoming refi boom. So how many of your clients or people that you talk to on a daily basis may be interested in refinancing their home to lower their interest rates? Just by tapping into the current database that you have from buyers that you put into a home, let's just say 2 years ago, that might be in the 7%, high 7% interest rate range, just by reaching out to them and saying, hey, I now have a mortgage division to my real estate team or to my real estate business. Have you considered a refinance? I know 2 years ago you bought the home and they were in the 7s. They're probably going to be somewhere in the 5s now, right? Or maybe high 5s, low 6s. So with this upcoming refi boom, by you tapping into the buyers or the clients that you currently have or past clients that you worked with, will give you will put extra money into your pocket. So you're able to take advantage of that when the real estate market is slow. So why Nexa Mortgage and Grow Funding? Number 1, like I said, we have over 250 lenders, everything from conventional FHA, VA, non-QM, which is going to be like your bank statement loans, profit and loss only loans, 1099 only, DSCR, fix and flip, any loan out there we have. We're the largest and fastest growing mortgage brokerage in the entire country. So we are growing at unprecedented paces. We have tons of loan officers now, and I believe the company has only got started in 2019, either 2017 or 2019. I'm not exactly sure. But we have over 2,000 mortgage brokers that work for the company. We are a Zoom-based company. We have a huge emphasis on technology, so you can work from anywhere in the world. And we provide unparalleled support at all levels. So loan level, management level, HR, everybody is there to help support you and help you grow your business. So what is the Relo Program? The Relo Program is the Real Estate Loan Officer Program. It's for real estate agents that want to go out and get their mortgage broker's license to legally be paid a commission on mortgage referrals. Okay, so you're going to be dual licensed. You're going to have your real estate license and your loan officer license. When you go to get your loan officer license, it's a little different now than the real estate. So you will take a national course in a national test for the National Mortgage Licensing System, NMLS. That's what it stands for. Okay, so you're going to take a national test. And then once you take that, you can choose what states you want to be licensed in. Some have a 1 hour law requirement. Some have a 3 hour requirement. It just depends on the state. So you can say, I only want to be licensed in Florida. That's where my business is. Or you can say, I want to be licensed in Florida, California, Rhode Island, and, wherever, Michigan. Okay. So you can decide if you want to get licensed in other states. Just keep in mind there is a fee for every state you get licensed in, and you have the fund continuing education per state. But this is how you legally get paid referrals, because if you think about it, if you're a real estate agent, okay, in Florida, you're not in Georgia, but you are in Florida, and you want to refer somebody to another real estate agent in Georgia, can you legally get paid a commission? Yes, you can, because you're a real estate agent already, so you can earn a fee. But let's just say you don't have your real estate license, right? You don't have a license, and you know somebody that wants to buy a home in Georgia and you want to refer them to an agent. Can you get paid a referral fee? The answer is no. Legally, you cannot get paid a referral fee. It's the same with mortgage. So you cannot refer mortgages and get paid a referral fee unless you are licensed, okay? Before, FHA would not allow you to be a real estate agent and a loan officer on the same deal. They got away with that in 2022, so you can. But I do want to preface this where I've heard some states don't allow it. Florida does allow it, but there might be some states that do not allow it. So think about this. I don't know what real estate brokerage you work for, but if you work for, let's just say Keller Williams, okay, I guarantee you have a real estate office in your Keller Williams office. A mortgage office in your Keller Williams office that you are asked to give the referral or the mortgages to. And Keller Williams is getting probably a piece of that mortgage business, right? Model Mortgage is with RE/MAX. EXP has a mortgage company as well. So a lot of these bigger real estate companies, they team up or they are part owner of a mortgage company or a title company or an insurance company. Why? To take advantage of multiple streams of income, right? So when it's down, when the market's down, you're still going to be able to get income from the mortgage source. So most real estate companies already do this. This is giving you, the real estate agent, an opportunity to do the same thing and to grow your business. So the Nexa Relo program is really designed to aid agents and to aid teams to have access to the same opportunities that most large real estate brokerages have. And almost every single large real estate brokerage has a title company that they're associated with, has a mortgage company that they're associated with, and some of them have an insurance company. And if you look at Berkshire Hathaway, right, Warren Buffett, he's got all of that plus more. So he's really got into the, everything that's involved with the real estate aspect. So this is allowing you as a real estate agent or a team to do the same thing. And one thing I do want to point out is that if you're a real estate agent and you work in a pretty big office, let's just say, you can start letting other agents in that office know, hey, I have my mortgage license. I'm doing loans now too. And I guarantee you there's a lot of real estate agents out there that don't want to go and get their license, but would be willing to let you handle their clients' loans. So you're definitely going to be able to pick up more business from agents in your office and from your current database, your past clients, whether it's a purchase or a refinance. So the benefits of the Relo program is that you have increased control of the transaction, right? So a lot of times you will give your client to a loan officer and you might not hear from that loan officer ever again. They don't keep you updated. You don't know what's going on. You only hear when there's a fire. This will give you increased control of the transaction if you want it. You don't always, need to have that, but if you want it. You have the largest mortgage brokerage in the company that you are going to be working for. You will have access to all of Nexa's employee benefit program. So we have health insurance if you want to take advantage of it. We do have retirement if you want to take advantage of the retirement. And I guarantee you that is something that you're going to want to do. We have much higher commission splits and revenue. And we also give you the opportunity to make money by referring other people to the company through a downline. So anytime you bring somebody into Nexa and they go under you, okay, you're going to now earn a small commission on the deals that they close. So there's all different ways that you can make money with the Relo program. So what are the requirements? Number one, you have to take the 20-hour pre-licensing course. It's a lot less than taking the real estate course. You can do it in a weekend. I think if you do it in person, most of them are like a 3-day class, and then you can go ahead and take the test right after that. You want to sign up with Grow Funding and Nexa Mortgage to be a Relo. There is a monthly tech fee of $85. Okay, so every single month you're going to pay $85, and it's going to be for your loan operating system, which we use something called Lending Pad, and it's going to be for the loan officer support suite, which is going to give you your emails. When you join with Grow Funding, I'm going to give you a website, business card, so you'll be able to have all of that. But there is an $85 fee, and there is a sign-up fee. So we do a background and credit check. It's very minimal. I don't even know if it's maybe $100. And then whatever it costs to take your pre-licensing course, as well as getting licensed with the state. So if you think about it, when you're doing your real estate renewal or you're renewing your real estate license with the state, you do have to pay a fee. Same thing with the mortgage. You have to pay a fee when you're renewing your license or activating your license with the state. But still, let's just say it's a couple $100. It's not anything that's going to break the bank, I hope. My team is going to assign a loan officer assistant to you, one that is experienced, one that knows how to do loans, because you're not going to be experienced if you've never done loans before. So basically the way that it works is when you have a prospective client that's interested or says, yes, I need a mortgage or whatever, you can send them an email with a link to the loan application, okay? When they fill out the loan application, in your email, you're also going to just have the list of documents that's needed. This is a templated email. This is not something you have to come up with on your own. This is the same exact email that we use for every single client when we send out the application and the document list. So you're going to send out the application and the document list. Once that application comes back in, you're going to get an email that it came back in. You're going to go into your lending pad, right, which is what you're paying the $85 a month for. You're going to assign the loan to your paired loan officer assistant, and they will take it from there. They will reach out to the client. They will go over the income, the assets, make sure everything's correct. They are also licensed, so they can discuss interest rates with the client, loan programs, get it structured, etc. And they're going to communicate with you throughout the process, just letting you know what's going on. Now, if this is a purchase, once that loan is under contract, you have a contract, it's then going to go to your assigned loan processor, who will see that file all the way to closing. So you got your loan officer assistant, which is from loan application to contract, and then your loan processor, which is from contract to close. Your loan officer assistant is going to see it all the way through, though. So they'll be on top of the processor, making sure that the file is moving through. Once it closes, you will have to go into Lending Pad, do a couple things to submit for payroll, and bam, when it closes, you'll get your commission. Okay. We like to say every day is payday at Nexa. I know a lot of other companies that, they're on a biweekly pay. So if you close something on the 13th of the month, well, you're not going to be getting paid until the end of the month. We have had a little bit of a lag in our payroll, but it's gotten a lot better. So within a couple of days of submitting payroll, you should be getting paid. So the way that it's going to work and the way that commission works is that when you first come on it as a Relo, you are going to get 50 basis points, right, of the loan amount. That's what your commission is of the net loan amount. So you'll get 50 basis points. So when you get paid, okay, Nexa takes a cut. Nexa is a company. They have to make money, so they take a portion of the commission. We have a whole schedule, so there's no surprises. You know exactly what Nexa's cut is. So Nexa takes a cut and that leaves a net commission. From the net commission, you're going to get 50 basis points of the loan amount. I'm going to show you how that works in a minute. If you are doing high volume, let's just say you're doing $1 million a month, right, in loans or more than that, then we can raise that to a 1% commission after you've closed 3 loans in a single month, or you've brought 5 other people to Nexa, or you're doing high volume, right? Maybe you're a team and you have a ton of referrals, a ton of loans that you're bringing in to the team. Well, then we would obviously talk about it and give you more of a commission split than the 50 basis points. So purchases, you're going to get your money on purchases. You're going to get your money on refinances. I don't know 100% if you will get them on a HELOC because those are paid out a little bit differently. But we do have home equity lines of credit as well. And you can also make money from revenue share. So when you're bringing additional people into the company and saying, hey, come over, work for Nexa, whether it's a Relo or it's an actual mortgage loan officer, you will then get a commission split, a small commission based on their closings. Okay. So the way that it works is that, number one, we have already talked about this. You have to get your mortgage loan officer license. It is a 20-hour online course. Once you do that, we'll get you onboarded. You are going to be the loan officer on every single loan, and then you will have your paired loan officer assistant. So you are the loan officer on the deal. You are signing the loan application as a loan officer, but we'll pair you with that loan officer assistant that's basically going to do everything for you. You do have to get the application, upload some of the documents, which they do it on their own anyways. And then you will need to assign it to your loan officer assistant and coordinate the closing. That's it. If you want to do more, you can do more. Maybe you start doing loans and you're like, you know what, I really like this. I actually want to be a loan officer. Well, you can do that too. So a loan officer assistant and a processor will be assigned to you. They will assist you with your pre-approvals, sending out the pre-approval letters, assist with the processing, and assist with all the way through to closing and funding. So when the loan is closed, you'll get a commission for your role as the loan officer in addition to any of your real estate commissions received. Now, you might be asking yourself, well, what if I just refer a loan and I'm not the real estate agent on the deal? That's completely fine. You can refer your refinances. You can refer other, you can get applications from some of your buddies at the office, nationwide. And I do want to bring that up, like nationwide. We are licensed in every single state except for my home state of Massachusetts, but I know that they're working on it. So really, you can have these referrals nationwide. So let's look and see what you're going to be adding to your bottom line. Let's just say you close a $300,000 loan. So it's a little different with mortgages because we're basing our commission off of loan amounts, not the total purchase price, which, kind of stinks for us because if you sell $1 million home as a realtor and we're doing the loan and they're putting $600,000 down, we're only getting paid on the $400,000 loan. But our volume is a lot more when it comes to mortgages. So if we want to look here, we have a monthly loan of $300,000. Let's just say you do a loan of $300,000, your 50 basis point that you're going to be getting is $1,505. So on top of your real estate commission, you're going to get another $1,500. Okay. Let's just say you do about a $300,000 loan a month, or you do 3.6 million, because we all know it doesn't really work monthly. Like 1 month you could have 900,000 and the next, nothing. That's going to bring $18,000 additional to your income at the end of the year. Now, you can be a W-2 or a 1099 with us. Obviously, we all know 1099 is a lot better. You can write a lot more things off. You can have more flexibility. So if you can go 1099, it will be better. But you're adding $18,000, let's just say a year, and you're not really bringing, doing a lot of extra work. Let's say you're doing about $1 million a month or 12 million for the year, right? You're talking to people, your mom, your dad, your clients, past clients. You got people wanting to refinance, the rates are high. Cash out refis are huge right now. So many people have racked up credit card debt, so they're using the equity that they currently have to cash out and pay off that high credit card debt. So let's just say you're doing about $1 million a month, or 12 million for the year. That's going to give you about $5,000 a month in additional income, or an additional $60,000 a year. Once again, for your mortgage referrals. And if you're really going big and you're doing about 2 million a month or 24 million a year, or maybe you work with these high-end, home buyers in Miami, and 2 million, in loan volume is really not that much. So your gross comp for the month is going to be around $13,000 a month, and that will bring you an additional $158,400 for the year. So if you can see and have any interest in getting your mortgage license, which it is not as hard as the real estate. I have my real estate broker's license. I have my mortgage loan officer license. And I had my 220 insurance license, but I let that slip. The 220 was 100% by far the hardest thing I've ever had to do in my life, including college. But the mortgage loan officer license really isn't that bad. So if you are interested, okay, what you can do is go to join.brayfunding.com/Relo. That's my website. There should be a pop-up there where it's going to ask, you enter your information, and I will reach out to you and go over, a little bit more in depth, answer any questions that you have. We also have a Why Nexa call every Thursday that is done by Mike Cordes. He's the CEO of our company. So if you're wanting to hop on that Why Nexa call, you can do that. And then we will get you with a loan officer. We'll get you onboarded. We offer free training. We have so many things going on at the company. You're really going to absolutely love it. I know you're going to love it. And we're here to help. I mean, I have my real estate broker's license and my mortgage license. I have been in both since 2001, and it allowed me to pivot. So when one industry is not doing great, let's say 2008, when nobody was really getting a mortgage, what did I do? I pivoted to real estate. And I sold real estate full time from 2008 to 2016. If any of you know me or have been to my trainings, you know all about me and how I sold real estate and, all that stuff. And I teach courses right now to real estate agents. But it allowed me to pivot into real estate. And then in 2016, I decided to pivot back into mortgage, right? So when you have both, you can pivot, or you can use both of them at the same time. So if you are ready to join or want more information, reach out to me. I will go over everything with you. Feel free to start sending me and my team loans if you want to get a feel for it, how it would work, what that would look like, how do we operate, right? Send me a couple of loans in now as you're in your onboarding process, or to try us out and make sure it's going to be the right fit, but I know it will be. So you can go to join.brayfunding.com/Relo. My email is Danielle@brayfunding.com. And I look forward to, to helping you guys grow and scale your business. I'm very passionate about doing that with real estate agents, as well as mortgage brokers. And that's it. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate. Send me an email. Go to brayfunding.com/Relo, sign up, get more information, and we'll go from there. I hope you all have a great day. Bye.